In the name of Almighty Allah, today we will discuss about 2019 CSS General Sense and Ability Paper MCQs. The first one is permanent hardness of water is due to the presence of calcium sulfate and the number of bones in human body are 206. Femur is the longest bone in human body while steps are the smallest and shortest bone in human body. And which vessels provide blood to the liver? So hepatic portal artery supplies blood to the liver. Liver is also called chemical factory of the body and it is also one of the largest organ in human body and which is not included in the earth environment, so none of these, and which controls rods in nuclear chemical reactor. So cadmium rod are used to control nuclear reactor. And which countries lies on the equator? So Kenya is the only country which lies on the equator. And what is anthracite? So anthracite is also called a hard coal. And how many bits are required to store the hexadecimal word AF? So it is 8 bits. And what is pre-released software version? So it is beta. And which organelles do the plant cell have? So plant cell have cell wall as well as vacuole. Cell wall gives protection while vacuole help in storing of food. And xylem supplies water and phloem supplied food uh, in plant body. And what is the protein metabolism waste in human? So urea is the protein metabolic waste in human body. And light year is a unit of distance. And the macronutrients of plants are NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So all of these. And atomic number is also called proton number. Proton number is defined as the total number of proton in the nucleus of an atom and its symbol is Z. Which of the following is the example of warm-blooded animal? So dolphin is the example of warm-blooded animal. And blood contains red blood cell, white blood cell, and platelets. Red blood cell helps in uh, oxygenation and transport of blood, while white blood cell helps in immunity and defense system of the body, while platelets help in bleeding, prevention of bleeding. And next one is what is the unavailability of a system? Thermal energy for conversion into mechanical work, and it is called entropy. Entropy is the measure of a system thermal energy per unit temperature that is unavailable for doing useful work. And bronze medal is made up of which metals? So bronze medal are made from two metals. One is copper and the other one is tin. So both copper and tin help in bronze medal in the manufacturing of bronze medal. And the loudness of sound depend on its amplitude. So it's all for today. Like, follow, and subscribe. Dawn Times. Thank you so much.